short and casual, Earth's magnetotail. It just sounds fun, I want to say it. It extends well beyond the orbit of the moon. It's the trailing edge from the solar wind, bow shock, and all that kind of stuff. And once a month, the moon orbits through it, and anyone can tell when it should be inside of the magnetotail because it's full. For 3 days before, it's in the center of it, and 3 days after, basically during a 6-day period of time, it's in the middle of the magnetotail when it's full. It is during those 6 days that strange things can happen. These can have consequences ranging from electrostatic discharges or dust storms on the surface of the moon. That's it. That's the only thing. A bunch of people at one point or another, I'm doing a set of videos all in one night here. Someone decided to post this as, well, that's part of a proof of something, and there were several video channels that mentioned it. Now I'll try to link, I'll list them in the Rogues Gallery below, but something that happens literally every month isn't news, unless it does something, which it didn't, because it would literally be the tail end of the, basically just the effect of our planet getting in the way of the solar wind, extending out that far. That's not an example of our magnetosphere being ripped off and destroying the moon. This is not a new thing, because during 6 days it goes through it. At the midpoint, at exactly a certain point, it's right dead in the middle of it. And maybe, you know, if you had something on the surface of the moon observing it, it might detect, because it doesn't have an atmosphere, the effect of the solar wind literally hitting it and being disrupted by the fact that basically it's at the end of a crack of the whip effect from the Earth creating this. Now, someone asked me to look into this, and that's all I've got a reason for this. I've also, it's part of it's a text file that says review these channels, and the only thing I found on a couple of channels was mentioning this. So I'm just going to make a video about it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And this happens every month, so unless everything bad happens every month, this is not a thing. Thank you.